2005, someone pulled off one of the most audacious museum heists in American history. The Judy Garland Museum in Grand Rapids, Minnesota housed something priceless. Dorothy's ruby slippers from The Wizard of Oz, one of only 4 pairs that survived, worth $1 million. The thief knew exactly when to strike. During the museum's closed season, when security was practically non-existent, they smashed the display case with a hammer and vanished into the night. The FBI launched a 13-year manhunt. They chased leads across the country, offered massive rewards, tracked down Hollywood collectors and black market dealers, but the slippers had disappeared completely. Then in 2018, something incredible happened. A mysterious sting operation recovered the stolen shoes, but the thief's identity remained a secret. The case exposed a dark truth about America's most treasured artifacts. They're sitting ducks for criminals who understand museum vulnerabilities. Someone out there got away with stealing a piece of movie history, and we still don't know who.